Hey, what's going on, everybody? I got a buck yesterday, actually. First buck ever with horns. I'm pretty proud about it. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a Euro mount with it. Never done this before, so just got some knives to skin it up, some little tools to pull some meat off. Can't find a box cutter for the life of me. I got my pot. Not sure which one to use yet. If it fits in that one, sure, but I'll be sleeping on the couch. Got my dish soap, plastic wrap and tape. Just a nice koozie. Don't worry about that. And cardboard. So I'm gonna start removing all the skin, everything I can, and then just boil it, and then hit it with the pressure washer. We'll see. I'm gonna take this outside. Maybe I'll set up a time lapse. Depends if my neighbors are still out there bickering about Halloween decorations. Because actually I shot this yesterday on Halloween. So I head outside. But it's gross. Don't look at that. So, I don't know if my time lapse really worked well. We'll find out. But skinned it, got all the big meat off the best I could. A fillet knife and these little X-Acto knives. I swapped blades a couple times, made it pretty easy. I'll rinse it off, maybe get the antlers clean at least. Tape them off and wrap them in plastic, but got most of the meat off and all the skin. The rest of it will boil out, so probably gonna do that no, I was gonna do it outside, but I don't really know if I'll do it today, but we'll see. Next step, I'm gonna wrap all these up tight with plastic wrap and tape them off and figure out what pot I'm gonna use. So let's see that now. All right, so wash the antlers off, scrub them down. Took some plastic wrap, like folded over 3 times on itself, wrapped it around the base, got it real tight on there with electrical tape. I went up a little higher just because, I mean, it only went up to like here, and I figured I'll just go up to here just in case. But I'm gonna fill the water level to just cover the back of the skull right here. So I'm gonna add some dish soap, couple squirts. Well, why not? Help degrease it. Fill it with water and get it to a simmer. So this is my second take. Put the dish soap in afterwards, or else you get a sudsy mess. I left the bottom jaw on. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on like a shelf or if I'm gonna hang it. But I'm leaving the bottom jaw on. It'll fall off. But as you see, you got the water level just right above there. It's covering the back. Everything's good. So gonna simmer it. Check on it every 30 minutes or so. Go cut the grass or whatever. The to-do list that she left me with today, and work on this in the meantime. So check back in maybe like 30 minutes or so. So I got distracted. It's been about an hour, maybe a little over an hour, but the water's been at like 200 degrees, so not even simmering, just really warm. And that's what she's looking like. And now I'm gonna go pressure wash it gently, obviously. Might regret doing it in my driveway, but we'll figure that out once I do it. So my GoPro died. But basically I just spent some time picking it with pliers, pressure washer, threw it back in the warm water a couple times, and here we have it. I mean, for my first time, not too bad. I still gotta go through and pick at some of the remainder stuff. I'll use like a coat hanger to get up in there, but I'm satisfied with it. I'm probably not gonna bleach it. I'm just gonna hang it up on the wall as is. So thanks for watching, everyone.